Look at them.
I'm gonna run out of green jackets.
Look at all those chickens.
You've never played airsoft before, raise your hand.
Oh shit.
Damn.
That's hella good, dude. You brought some.
To run with during the summer as we
No! My line! Okay. Good shot, Joe. Are you both ready?
Get low when the whistle goes.
Where's my fucking goggles? It's in my eye.
Get low when the whistle goes.
They look nice together though.
They really do, though.
It's gonna be like, here.
Wait, that's man. Wait, what's going on?
Hey, we got one.
Yeah. Nope.
Get low when the whistle goes.
God damn it.
You're gonna end up on my face.
It's your style. Just keep them up. If it's not sideways, you're not playing right. Hey, what up with it? I saw the guy to the left and didn't see him. What words do you have to say to the camera?
What?
What words do you have to say to the camera?
No.
Daniel, you gotta say something cooler than that.
Cool.
Watch YouTube Cotton Bowling.
Airsoft Mysteries is awesome. This player right here is awesome too.
Thanks, Daniel.
Dude, I could have shot you.
Wait, oh, you're green. Oh, you said that, huh?
Watch the building right here.
Are you not gonna call that?
Yeah, you were hit way before. He shot you
Did not.
too. Did too. Okay, well, you're terrible at counting, but I shot you 3 times. Multiple people over there, so they can vouch for me.
Okay.
And he's complaining about getting overshot.
Get to the story first. Okay.
It's the Fortnite guy.
No,
Yes.
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 not at all.
Yes.